Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, if your Wix editor isn't loading or gets stuck, it can be really frustrating. So in today's small tutorial, I make sure to show you how to actually fix the Wix editor not loading issue in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet and all of this. We're gonna go and look for Wix.com. But first, I said first again, so for example, you are going through a problem, you can't even open Wix.com, the editor isn't working, so we're gonna go to Google or Bing or whatsoever, we're gonna go and look for Wix server, then we're gonna go for Wix server stats. We're gonna go and look if it's actually working. If it's not, they're gonna let us know. You can go through the status.wix.com. You can go and check on down detector, or you can get your answer from here. So, as you see guys, it's operational. The Wix server stats is currently working, no incidents reported, so it's fully fine. We're gonna go back and try with Wix. As for now, clear the browser cache, disable any browser extensions here. Turn off any proxies, any basically VPNs and all of this. Try incognito mode as well, or in private mode. You can also go and switch browser. If you are using Edge, try Chrome, or if you are using Chrome, try Opera or Edge or whatsoever. Check your internet speed, and as I said before, make sure you turn off the VPN. VPNs may block the Wix editor informations and data and all of this. As a last resort, we can do a restart browser or PC. It fixes the temporary glitches. As for you guys who don't even know how to go through the Wix website editor, all you're gonna do is go to this dashboard, then go and tap on design site. So this will automatically open a new window called Wix website editor. And that's basically it. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.